In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Notion. Whether you've moved a block by accident, edited text you didn't mean to, or changed formatting you want to roll back, I'll show you the simplest ways to undo so you can get your page back to where you want it. First, open your browser and head over to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login. If you've got the desktop app installed, you might see Launch Notion instead. Either one will take you into your workspace. Once you're in, switch to the workspace where you made the change. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double check you're in the right one so you're looking at the correct content. Now, navigate to the specific page where you need to undo something. This could be a regular page, a subpage, or a database item. The process is the same. On that page, look for the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the window. Click it to open the page menu. Scroll through the menu and look for the option labeled Undo. Click Undo, and Notion will reverse your most recent action. If you need to roll back more than one change, you can click Undo multiple times to step backward through your edits. Keep an eye out for a small confirmation message. It's a good way to verify that the action was applied. There's also a faster method that many people prefer. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command+Z. This shortcut is perfect for quick reversals, especially while you're actively typing or moving blocks around. You can tap it repeatedly to move back through your recent actions in order. If you overshoot and want to go forward again, use Redo, Ctrl+Shift+Z on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on a Mac. A few tips to keep things smooth. Undo usually applies to your most recent edits on that page and is tied to your current editing session. If you don't see Undo in the menu for any reason, the keyboard shortcut almost always does the trick. Notion also saves changes automatically, so you won't lose your work while you're exploring these options. In collaborative pages, be mindful that you're undoing your own actions. That helps avoid confusion with teammates' edits. That's it, quick and easy. Head to notion.com, open your workspace and page, use the three-dot menu to click Undo, or rely on Ctrl or Command+Z for a faster workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.